I got a question. What are you calling peaks? Because while you were explaining that, some of them I didn't see. I see valleys, but I don't see peaks.
So peaks are like the tops.
Oh,
It's
okay.
it's like a past resistance area.
All right. Oh, so the one you were talking about in the 39s and 38s, so back there on the 29th.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I just missed it. Maybe I didn't have my charts out far enough.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So peaks are resistances from the past,
Okay. All right.
whether way in the past or even currently. But they're the tops of the mountains. Let's put it that way.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure we're on the same sheet of music and I wasn't
Oh,
missing.
yes, we're making beautiful harmony together.
So also, let's see, if they're that far back, how do you know if they've been used after, if the pricing come down? Okay, I see.
They always get used, darling. If they don't get used the same day, the same week, the same month, the market's gonna, you just watch the market, keep them marked. The market's gonna come down and bounce off of them at some point.
Yeah, I understand that part. I think my question is just to keep track of them.
Mhm.
You mark them once they're touched. How do you mark them? I should ask that.
Okay.
What method you use?
I start from London. That's my foundation. Both David
All
and
right.
I start from London. So that's where I found our mini peaks for this morning's Zoom, 49, 47 and 50. That's from London.
Right, I got that mark, the time London opened and everything. Yeah.
But because we're in a short range, we think it's going to pull up. We don't know. Market could plummet and go down. We're not surprised by anything. So because those two peaks are not far off from our main support at 33, 34, I just want to have a mark just in case, because I'm going to be locked and loaded to use them if the market sinks.
Mhm.
Okay, all righty, that sounds really simple. Let's see.
I try to keep it simple.
So that 39, 75 to like 39 even, that both you talked about for major and minor levels. So what I'm seeing here is that it did touch the previous peaks from yesterday.
What do you mean 39? What's the full price?
39.39.
39.39. Oh, yeah. That's a micro support.
Okay.
It hit it starting the 30th, once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times.
Okay.
That's a micro support. I don't have it as a peak. I didn't go far enough back left to use it as a peak. It didn't matter to me. All that mattered to me was the current price action, and it's used as micro support.
Yeah, I saw it because I heard both of you use that area, and it's the critical area for today.
Well, we did it yesterday.
Sometimes I get lost because I'm looking at all of these wiggles and lines and stuff, and I lose track. So even though I'm putting ellipses on the peaks and stuff, but I'm trying to find a method to use them so that I don't miss them and stay in contact with them.
Well, yesterday and today is extra challenging because it was a choppy range. So it was a little bit more challenging to find the peaks that we're going to possibly use today. But if you're still confused about the micro levels, trade the main levels only. Because it just takes one good trade and you can be done for the day.